Hey, welcome to Clay's Geezer Garage. We got an exciting morning out here. As you can see here, we're unloading the Roadster Shop chassis. I have my cousin Roy who has access to this nice little excavator. We're going to snatch it right off. As you can see here, they hauled 3 down from north of Chicago. I believe that's where Roadster Shop's at. So yeah, we're getting ready to snatch this thing off the top and get it in my shop. So we're really excited. Let's go.
There it is. Ray.
Yeah, it's getting pretty good. Not much room. Yeah. Hey, just want to thank my cousin Roy here. You guys have seen him in some of my earlier videos, but he came through with the Bobcat, the mini excavator, and we just plucked this thing off as you saw in the video. Made life easy, so thanks, Roy. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
All right,
anytime.
Man. All right. Also had some mental support and physical help from my junior guy here. This is my other grandson Ray. He's been in a couple of videos, but yeah, thanks guys for coming.
Whee! I'm about 8 inches clear, so I'm getting real close. It's pretty soon. That's about right.
I need to watch
Yeah, it came. Not much. Maybe it just went straight. Yeah, I think it's straight.
Oh, that's the steering?
Well, it's got a steering. I'm a little further way up over here. Oh, what's in?
Straighten out now, I guess. That straight?
No, that looks straight.
I can yeah. Now go. Go. Lift it. Keep them back. Okay, take that in there.
What's in it?
Did she bring those in?
He did.
Oh, no. Go. All in there.
It would have been easier if you put it upwards.
Well, not for you, for me.
Oh, dang it.
For you, it would be easier, not me. Okay, that's good. Yep. These are the new half shafts. Nice. See what's in our other box. Got all new body mounts with the inner brace. Nice. These are your control arm mounts. Control arms are back-ordered, but they'll be shipped directly to me here at my place. Here's the tranny mount. This is probably the rear control arm or front. One of them. These are instructions, so we don't need those. Let's see what we got here. Yep. It's the order number. Vintage Parts LLC is who I bought it through, which is Greg. Spec 7 Corvette. Yep. All the design, dimensions, instructions. But they do a nice job. Very professional. Okay, where I'm at today, I got the body lifted up. Put a little weight up front because I figured it'd be back heavy the way I strapped it. See here, I strapped it to the lock pillar, one of the bolts. And here to one of the mounting bolts for the hinges. No problem. The back's pretty solid. Mitch was a little concerned because on the convertibles it's not solid, but I'll tell you what, this is very solid. No problem. You see I got the Roadster Shop chassis sitting outside. I got it all covered up with plastic because I don't want it to get rusty. One less thing I have to worry about. So yeah, let's get this old dolly out. It worked great. Get the Roadster Shop chassis underneath. I know I'm being picky, but hey, less rust to worry about. By the way, Mitch, the coupe rear end's pretty solid on here. If you look, I'm shaking it and it's shaking the front. So when you have a coupe, you have the back and even with the quarters off, it's pretty solid. So no worries there. And it's just hanging out there, you see. Okay, what I'm doing now is the Roadster Shop chassis comes with these energy absorption urethane bushings for the body mount. So you actually, this washer goes on top and these sleeves go inside here, through here like this. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble these and put them on. I'm not going to put the bottom smaller ones on, but I want to put all the top ones on so I can set this body down. I don't want it hanging up in the air like that. Makes me nervous. Okay, folks, we have the body sitting down on the Roadster Shop chassis for the first time. I will say all the body mounts lined up. The only issue I had was with these replacement rockers. I had to flare this little section right here out a little bit, but no big deal. Same on both sides. But yeah, real happy with the stance. As you can see, it sits low. I like that. We don't have the quarters on the back, so it's hard to really see how low it's going to sit there. I could go up and grab the quarters off the shelf and clamp them on, but I may do that before I do any gluing, but I'm pretty sure that they're designed to fit. So yeah, pretty excited about this. Looks good. And there's that split window. All right, everybody out there. Got the body down on the Roadster Shop chassis for the first time. I like the way it's setting. You know, of course, we got adjustable shocks, so all that stance can be adjusted. Probably going to get a quarter panel out and clamp it on there. Just make sure everything fits. Next thing I'm going to do is get the doors on, get those fitted up, and then glue the big tub kit in once I get the doors aligned. Yeah, pretty exciting. So that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching Glaze's Giza Garage. Remember, like and subscribe and share. You guys, this is free. I'm giving you free entertainment. Just do a little subscription here. Like, subscribe, share, and please subscribe. Appreciate it.